You may ask, what the best belly fat exercises are. To be honest, there are hundreds of exercises you can do to get rid of that belly that just doesn't seem to want to go away. The great thing is they all work, you just have to find what works best for you. I know that may not seem like a big deal, however it may be one of the most important factors in this whole process. The reason being is that you want to make sure that you can go the distance with the particular program. In the past, many people have chosen a program, getting burned out, and it causes them to fall short of their goal. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at some of the best exercises that could help you get rid of that bulge that's so aggravating to get rid of. Jogging, jogging, jogging. This helps you burn calories and it also keeps your metabolic rate up even when you're not doing anything. Some people can't take the rigors of jogging, it may be too hard on some their joints such as their hips, knees, and even their back. So the other option would be walking. The great thing about walking is that it doesn't have to be speed walking or even miles at a time, simply a brisk walk for 10 to 15 minutes a day will work. Another great exercise is yoga. This exercise can not only get you slim and trim. Yoga can also help you stay in the right frame of mind to get the job done. Yoga may take some time to get used to, however it's an excellent way of getting you where you want to be. The next exercise I would recommend would be crunches or sit-ups. The great thing about sit-ups or crunches is that there is a variety of ways you can do these. There are different angles you can use while doing your crunches or sit-ups. This way it reaches all the different abdominal muscles that you have. There you have it. These are just a few of the best belly fat exercises which you could do to reach your goal of having a flat tummy. Put these few exercises, or even one of them, into practice, and you will be sure to get where you want to be.